Good morning, students. In SST classes of standard 10, DAV Public School, Daudnagar, Chapter 4 Agriculture, and it is part 9. Today, I would like to teach you the topics contribution of agriculture to the national economy, employment, and output. Today's topic is contribution of agriculture to national economy, employment and output. As you know that agriculture has been the backbone of Indian economy. India is agriculturally important country. Half of Indian population depend on agriculture for sustenance. Very important. But the declining share of agriculture in GDP, gross domestic product, GDP, is a matter of serious concern. Means the contribution of agriculture is decreasing in GDP of India, matter of serious concern. Because any decline, why is serious concern? Because any decline and stagnation in agriculture will lead to decline in the other sphere of economy having wider implications of agriculture. I mean, other industries will decline, agro-based industry. Therefore, the government of India made concentrated efforts to modernize agriculture. Indian governments took various measures, such as establishment of ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Agricultural universities were set up, veterinary services established, horticulture, meteorology and weather forecast developed, improving the rural infrastructure were given priority for improving agriculture in India. These steps were taken by the Indian government. From the table 4.1, GDP growth rate is increasing over the years, but it is not generating sufficient employment opportunities in the country. Here it is a table 4.1. Table 4.1, India, growth of GDP and major sector in percentage. Sector, agriculture, industries, services. 10th 5-year plan, 2002 to 7. 1.7% was growth rate of agriculture in GDP. And in 11th 5-year plan, it became 4.1. Likewise, industry 8.3 to 10.5. Service sector 9.2 to 9.9. GDP growth rate in 10th 5-year plan was 7.2. It increased in 11th 5-year plan 9.0. But here table shows it is not generating sufficient employment opportunity in the country. It is an alarming situation. GDP is growing but not increasing employment. It is an alarming situation. Today, Indian farmers are facing a big challenge from international competition. On the other hand, our government is going ahead with reduction in the public investment in agriculture sector, particularly in irrigation, power, rural roads, market and mechanization. Subsidy, economic help to the farmer, or fertilizers is decreased, leading to what? Leading to increase in the cost of production. Moreover, a reduction in import duties on agriculture products have proved detrimental to agriculture in the country of India or the Indian agriculture product. So farmers are withdrawing their investment from agriculture, causing a downfall in the employment in agriculture. You study newspaper daily. Nowadays, suicide of farmers is become the headline of newspaper. Why? Another activity, find out why an Indian farmer doesn't want his son to become a farmer. Very important question. So, today's topic is contribution of agriculture to the national economy, employment and output is completed. Thank you.